TIMWOODS Brainstorming Activity, you will begin to brainstorm various forms of waste. As you do this, you will create a list of wastes that you can use for possible improvements. In this activity, you will document every form of waste that you can think of. Let's go over some instructions and get started creating your list. In this activity, you will be asked to list as many of each form of waste as you can think of in 3 minutes. Let's begin by gathering a few supplies. To start, make sure you have the following items: a timer and something to write with, and a copy of the TIMWOODS brainstorming sheet or the activity open on your computer. After you have gathered all your supplies, we are ready to get started. Here's a list of instructions you can follow to complete this activity. Set the timer for 3 minutes. Each letter represents a form of waste. In the box, you will fill in as many forms of waste as you can think of that are related to the letter in 3 minutes. Start with T for transportation waste. Press start on the timer and begin writing every form of transportation waste you have seen or experienced. When the timer stops, begin the next form of waste. The activity will take you about 1 hour in total. Remember, this list is a list of forms of waste that you can think of, have experienced, or may have come across in your lifetime. Many students use these lists as a place to go and find something to improve. Since you have access to the course, you have access to many forms of waste that you can begin removing. With that said, we suggest that you come back to this activity regularly and update your submissions, or use it as a hub to document different opportunities that may come to mind. You can then plan for improvements based on your list. Good luck with your brainstorming, and we will see you in the next lecture.